Ever wondered how fireworks explode into amazing colors? Inside every firework are special parts that make light, color, and sound. When the fuse is lit, fire races toward the firework. The firework shoots high into the sky like a rocket. The fuse is timed to explode at just the right moment. Boom! The firework explodes and sends sparks flying everywhere. The way fireworks are packed creates different shapes in the sky. Special powders make different colors when they burn. Hot sparks glow as they cool, lighting up the night sky. Many fireworks together make a dazzling sky show.
Fireworks use timing, energy, and chemistry to make light and color. Now you know how fireworks explode fuller. Science can be spectacular. ThinkoKids! Learning is fun!
Tap subscribe and give us a like to see more amazing wonders around us. Can you point at the button right now?